Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As part of learning JavaScript, we are actually learning about data types. So in the previous videos, we have covered about primitive data types. In that we have covered undefined, null, boolean. So today we'll discuss about number. So before talking about number, we have to discuss about boolean because we missed some concept. So this is the concept. So in boolean means true and false, right? So we have a 0 and 1. We can use this 0 as false and we can use this 1 as a true. So I have written one code here, if condition. In this condition, I have given this statement true equal to 1. So true is a Boolean type data type and 1 is a number type data type. Okay. So we know this line number 101 will definitely execute and I will show you that. So this is getting executed. Okay. Why? How it is getting executed? So here, whenever JavaScript executing line number 100, it is finding that there are two data types. So it is converting this number data type into Boolean data type. Then it is executing this line number 101. Okay. So how we have the primitive data types false and true as a Boolean data types. So 0 and 1 we can use that as a true and false. Okay. Whenever we use this 0 and 1 in the Boolean statements, it will definitely convert into Boolean data types. I hope you understood this concept. So let's jump into the number. So what is will be number? Number means 1. I have written is 23 here. This may be number and 9 minus 8.078. This is also a number. Both are numbers. Then what? What is mean by number actually? So number means it's a representation of floating point values. Okay, that means from positive to uh sorry, from negative to positive values. It will represent all the values. Okay, it's showing error. Okay, then we'll discuss more. 1 to 3, it's a number. 1 to 3.0, it's also a number. 1 to 3.0 equal to. I'm doing strict equal to here. It is also a number, right? So why we will use this number to work with a code while developing any application? We definitely need this number data type, right, to represent the numbers. Okay, that's why we will use this. So I will show you some use cases here. So I will do some console.log. So here, if you are using see, I'm having here string 123. So if we print this, we will get this as a string 123, right? So in our application, if we have any kind of data type, if we want to convert that data type into number data type, we can do that using this number constructor. I will show you that number. This is a number constructor. So in that I am passing expression, which is a string 123. Okay. We'll see 143, line number 143 is printing as 123 number. We have to know this data type, right? So I will show you that also. Okay. And we have to know the value also, right? 123. So we'll see. Uncaught error, it will, yeah. Now it will work. See, it's a number data type and it's printing as a number, which we pass it as expression as a string, right? So I will show you another one. Console.log type of number constructor. In this, I will pass a string 123a. Okay, and then I need to show you value of that 123a. Okay, so we'll see now 144 line number. So line number 144 is printing, but it's not printing value y. What's happening? Okay, we have to give here. We have to remove this. Now see. So it is printing whatever the expression we have passed in this number constructor. It's a it's a number data type. It is converting into a number data type, but it is throwing as nan. The value is nan, means not a number, right? What happened here? So JavaScript engine is converting whatever the expression we are passed. If that expression able to convert into a number, then it is converting. Other than it is throwing as a nan, not a number, but there is a value. We have to remember that when we got the nan, that means it's not a number, there is a value. Okay. I hope you understood about basic concept about number. Thank you.